Introduction. 4 years ago, NASA announced its next-generation spacesuit, intended for lunar exploration. However, the project faced delays and cost overruns, prompting NASA to seek alternative designs through a competition by invited other companies to design the best suit. Surprisingly, SpaceX, having already developed its own IVA spacesuit, opted out of the bidding process, choosing instead to pursue its own path in spacesuit innovation. In this video, we delve into SpaceX's mastery of spacesuit design and the breakthroughs that enabled it. So stick around till the end of the video. Who designed the SpaceX spacesuit? SpaceX initiated spacesuit development in 2015 by collaborating with Hollywood costume designer Jose Fernandez. Fernandez crafted a visually appealing design, which SpaceX engineers then adapted for functionality. While not intended for extravehicular activity, EVA, this suit prioritized crew safety within the spacecraft. But when you compare SpaceX's suit to other pressure suits, it looks much sleeker. Traditional versus SpaceX spacesuit design, unlike traditional one-size-fits-all spacesuits prone to discomfort and injury, SpaceX customizes each suit to fit individual astronauts precisely. Traditional suits suffer from mobility limitations due to pressurization, whereas SpaceX employs tailored solutions for joint flexibility, ensuring natural movement alignment. Enhancing mobility, SpaceX's spacesuit incorporates crisscross tensioners to aid joint movement, akin to how a spider's leg operates. Consolidating multiple functions into a single port, it eliminates bulky external valves and simplifies astronaut preparation. Automation further enhances usability, enabling astronauts to don the suit independently in minutes, a stark improvement over the cumbersome space shuttle suits. Conclusion. SpaceX's mastery of spacesuit design revolutionizes astronaut safety and comfort. By prioritizing customization, mobility, and automation, SpaceX sets a new standard in spacesuit technology, paving the way for future exploration missions. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting discoveries.